Hi guys, this is Connor from Uniform. Today I will give you guys a quick tutorial of how to use ezsheep to print the address label on eBay, to prettify it basically. So we need to select the order we want to print the address label. Select as many as you want, and for the we select one and click print address label and click address label. We will see the ugly preview of the eBay label and dismiss this, and ezsheep will automatically convert this to a pretty version. So yeah, we have receiver, joke of the day just for fun, and the logo here. We can change the logo to whatever picture you want by choose a file from your local files directory, local file explorer, and select the file you want. I will just change this logo for fun to demonstrate. I just changed my logo, and let's try print again. It should load in my new logo. Dismiss this. Here we go, vertical, horizontal one. So, and yeah, everything looks good. We click print label, and we need to modify the paper size settings. If you previously have these settings, it will look like this. We definitely not want this one. Currently the label size is 100 multiplied by 60. We modify this, and we also want to remove the margin, set the margin to none, and the scale is 100. Looks good. And that's it for the Chrome part. And also you probably will need some, just make sure you have the correct setting in the printing setting. So the printer setting in the page setup page, the selection should be customer, and other stuff, yeah, just leave them as it is. Make sure the offset is all 0. If you haven't changed it, don't worry about it. And device option, don't worry about it. And graphic option. So in this case, we probably need to change the graphic option. Right now it's fine, but if it is like this, we probably want to change it to photo, because we have a logo in here. If we set it to clip part, the logo will look crap. It will unrecognizable. So we will need to change it to photo, make it more realistic, make the picture look prettier. So, and the other settings are just fine. Yeah. And click apply those change, and you are okay to go. Just click print. You should be able to print these labels. Okay.
Here are some results from a search.
Oh. And besides that, something else worth to mention is we can adjust label size to whatever size you want. For example, we can change it to 40 by 80 by 40, and we trigger the printer again. So ezsheep will automatically convert this address to this format. So yeah, in this format we won't be able to display the joke and the logo because we don't have enough space. And that's about it. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to message me on YouTube or on eBay. Thank you guys.